Okay. Say hi.
No, we have to your videotape them.
You want to say hi to him?
No videotape
I am videotaping him, silly.
You already videotape them?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now as we speak. Now I'm videotaping you. Who else do you want me to videotape?
Video. Don't guy.
Can you get off the chairlift by yourself? Can you get off the chairlift by yourself?
No way, we have to.
Okay, lift it up. You did help. Do you want me to help you or do you want to get off by yourself? Pretty awesome.